And Republic Now gets you news and updates from around the country. We start with some breaking updates we're picking up from Assam, where the state health minister met people at a quarantine facility and warned them to follow lockdown orders. He also inspected the quarantine facility nice and proper. So that's the latest breaking update we're picking up from Assam, wherein Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma met people in a quarantine facility, also gave strict warning to those not following the guideline protocols of COVID-19 quarantine facility. Aniruddha, my colleague, joining us with more details on the same. Aniruddha, if you could take us through in detail as to what exactly happened as far as this quarantine facility is concerned, what kind of violations were taking place before the Assam Health Minister had to come out and issue those kind of warnings.
Yes, Amita, if we look at the quarantine facility here in Guwahati, it has been learned from the doctors and nurses working there that social distancing was not followed inside the quarantine facility by the people. There are more than 1,000 people in that facility, and they were not abiding by the rules and regulations and the guidelines or protocols framed by the government in regards to COVID-19 quarantine facility quarantine, when it comes to facility quarantine. And there were also allegations from some of the patients, and they reportedly made some Facebook live video and were complaining about the quality of the food that was being served in this quarantine facility. However, it has been already made clear many times by the government that the quality of the food is being not compromised in the quarantine facility. And in fact, Minister of State for Health, Piyush Hazarika himself had lunch and dinner at the quarantine facility to ensure that the quality of the food is not compromised by the concerned department or the suppliers who have been supplying the food to the quarantine facility. And today, after inspecting the quarantine facility, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma had made it very, very clear that the doctors and nurses who are stationed there at this quarantine facility, particularly inside the city of Guwahati at Sarusajai, the food that is being served to the those people who have been undergoing quarantine in that facility is also being served to the doctors and nurses. So there comes no question of doing any compromise as far as the quality of food is concerned. While interacting with the people in the quarantine facility, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma also made it clear that those who are not following the strict guidelines in regards to social distancing inside the quarantine facility also will their period of being in quarantine will be extended by another 14 days, so that the life of people in the society or the community is not put at the danger. Amita.
Yes, because the health minister himself said that he inspected the food himself, and there is no question that any bad food is being served, because the doctors and nurses serving in that quarantine facility are also taking in the same food, the same diet, the same routine is being followed by everyone who's present at that quarantine facility. So this kind of a fake news propaganda must not be resorted to, and that's exactly why the health minister, we believe, visited this quarantine facility, Aniruddha. But you know, as for Assam's latest status is concerned, we are seeing that one person so far has succumbed to the virus in the state. The state is so far being able to take care of the situation, contain the spread of the virus. Several quarantine facilities which have been set up, but now a strict warning coming in from Health Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, that proper lockdown norms must be followed, and all those who are trying to act smart must stop doing so, because everyone who is present at the quarantine facility is consuming the same food. There is no scope, no room for any kind of bad food being served to anybody. Quickly going across to Anuj, who joins us from the national capital, London.